Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Orange color, red color, purple color, light gray color, green color, blue color, gray color, black color, white color, yellow color, pink color, yellow ochre color. It's now you draw alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. It's now you draw E and U is gray color. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J and U is purple color. J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon, M for moon. It's now you draw N and U is pink color. And N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for green. Okay, so now you draw R and U is blue color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van. It's now you draw W and U is red color. W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and U is green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6 and U is orange color. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.